I've received from YouTube this package. So let's unbox it and see what I've received inside. I don't know what's inside. It should be some kind of merch, but let's see what is inside. So let's see what is inside. I see YouTube icon at the top, so a good sign. You have a YouTube, you have congratulations, and what is inside more? I see first item, a hat from YouTube and shorts. Let's put it on for this video. This hat, but there is more. It looks like a cap, probably also with a short text. And official YouTube Shorts cap with a manual inside. So that's it, what I received from YouTube in this package, and that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.